Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be talking about the man behind one of my favorite companies in India, Zerodha. I was always a fan of the product Zerodha since the time I started using it. Their mobile app and what they offer as an organization is nothing short of spectacular. But recently I deep dived into the life of Nitin Kamath, who's the founder of Zerodha, and I was truly inspired. He truly has had an amazing journey working at a call center at one stage of his life to being a self-made billionaire. Today's video is dedicated to his journey, so sit back, relax, and if you enjoy the video, make sure you share it with other people. Nitin Kamath was born on 5th October 1979 to his parents UR Kamath and Revati in Karnataka. His father used to work at a bank, and due to his father's work requirements, Nitin Kamath moved houses frequently. Finally, in 1996, his family settled in Bangalore, and that's where he pursued his further education. He studied engineering from Bangalore Institute of Technology and was not academically that strong, which he himself admits. But he always had a love for numbers and entered the world of stock market at a young age of 17. He loved trading, and this was a time when he started to realize the importance of wealth creation. He was also good at trading and made quite a lot of profits when he started. Even though at that time he was just a college student, he was always inclined towards trading and stock markets. Unfortunately, in the market crash of 2001, Nitin lost all his money and started working in a call center to generate some income. He used to work night shifts so that he could use the trading hours in the morning to trade. He worked in the call center for 4 long years, saving up capital. And that is where he met other people who wanted him to manage their money. Upon realizing the knowledge that Kamath possessed, his peers started trusting him with their money. Slowly but surely, his clientele increased, and that's when he decided to quit his job. In the year 2004, Kamath started working for Reliance Money, where he worked in proprietary trading and advisory services. His work was really appreciated at Reliance, and he became the most successful sub-broker at Reliance Money. He was able to generate huge volume of transactions which clearly his peers were not able to do. Reliance Money, which was a part of the Anil Ambani group, had a lot of flaws in their system. While working at Reliance, Kamath identified the missing parts and realized that the platform was not really trader friendly. That was when the idea of Zerodha was planted in his mind. Nitin Kamath decided to start Zerodha with his brother Nikhil Kamath in the year 2010. The company was started with an initial team of just 5 members. The company operated in a unique discount model to help traders and encourage more investments in the capital markets. The company offered a flat fee of Rs 20 for every trade, be it big or small. This cost-effective fee not only disrupted the market but also helped Zerodha to establish themselves as a successful brokerage firm. A discount stock brokerage firm is different to a full-service stock brokerage firm. A full-service stock brokerage firm will do the analysis, do the research, and give you recommendations about the stock and the market. On the other hand, a discount brokerage firm essentially just acts as a trading platform. Hence, Zerodha saves on the cost involved in doing research and analysis. Zerodha stands for Zero, which means zero, and Rodha, which means obstruction. That's zero obstruction. And Nitin Kamath believes that you shall face zero obstruction when you're trading on the Zerodha platform. The company, which began with a small team of just 5 members in a little rented place in Bangalore, today employs more than 13,000 people. Zerodha is also the country's first ever online brokerage firm. The reason why Zerodha was able to make a mark for themselves was because of the low fees that they charged and also the amazing user interface that they created. They essentially solved the cumbersome process of setting up a trading account, setting up a demat account, and made it very simple and easy for the user. Their mobile app, which is called Kite, is also spectacular and very easy to use. They also have a product called Varsity, which a lot of people might not be aware about, which solely focuses on providing educational content about the stock market. Varsity solely focuses on educating the common person about the markets and is a truly great tool for beginners to start learning about stocks. Kamath's transparency resonated well with the young audience and were able to attract many new investors who use Zerodha as their trading platform today. Today, Zerodha has over 5 million active users and have overtaken the well-established ICICI Securities to become India's largest retail brokerage firm. Every day, 2 to 3 million trades are being executed on the Zerodha platform. And Zerodha attracts 50,000 to 70,000 new customers on their platform every single month. Kamath was also featured in the Forbes list in 2016 as one of the rising entrepreneurs. In the same year, Zerodha also won Startup of the Year by Economic Times. Zerodha was honored with the Emerging Brokerage Firm of the Year twice by Dun & Bradstreet and the Bombay Stock Exchange in the year 2014 and 15. Today, Zerodha is a successful startup company with a valuation of $3 billion with no external funding or capital. This is phenomenal. Creating a company in today's time without borrowing money or taking external funding is very tough. Nitin Kamath was hell-bent from the start to not take any external funding and solely focused on creating an amazing product. Very rarely will you see in today's time that a company is a unicorn startup and is bootstrapped. Nitin Kamath is one of the youngest billionaires in India, and his net worth is speculated to be a little more than $1 billion in 2021. With no venture capital funding and no family background in business, Nitin Kamath's success story is truly an inspiration to many. Well, that's all from my side for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and if you like my content, make sure that you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and you have a good day.